Let x be a discrete random variable taking values in the set of positive natural numbers. We are asked to find the value of little x such that the probability of x equal to k is exponential of minus 2x to the power k.
As a matter of fact, x is a discrete random variable taking values in the set of positive natural numbers. We know that the sum of all probabilities should add up to 1. Consequently, the sum for k going from 1 to infinity of exponential of minus 2x to the power k should be equal to 1. The summation of the probability of x equals k, for k going from 1 to infinity should be equal to the summation of exponential of minus 2x to the power k for k going from 1 to infinity. Therefore, we factor exponential of minus 2x out and we see that the sum of probabilities is equal to exponential of minus 2x times the summation of exponential of minus 2x to the power k, minus 1, for k going from 1 to infinity. We rearrange the indexes and see that the sum of all probabilities is now equal to exponential of minus 2x times the summation of exponential of minus 2x to the power k for k going from 0 to infinity. This is in fact a geometric series with ratio equal to exponential of minus 2x. As a result, the sum of all probabilities is then equal to the fraction exponential of minus 2x over the quantity 1 minus exponential of minus 2x. Consequently, we should solve the equation exponential of minus 2x equal to 1 minus exponential of minus 2x. This equation is equivalent to the equation exponential of minus 2x equals 1/2. The final solution is x equal to the fraction negative logarithm of 1/2 over 2.
Thank you for viewing this video. Please subscribe to our channel. We have an extensive collection of calculus videos covering limits, derivatives, series, integration, and many other calculus-related topics such as probability and differential equations.